why that dog was returned home, any special care instructions, any medication. They're going to have all that knowledge at their fingertips. The dog's going to go home back to the kennel and just rest and recover there. But on the trail, you cannot replace dogs. So you would be down from 14, 13, 12, 11, so on and so forth. And
我呢要你講乜嘢話？邊個知你？邊個知你嘢話
But you have to have at least 6 dogs in your harness to finish, and people have actually won with 6 dogs as well. So yeah, again, they got to be the right one, but it's definitely possible.
關係是嘅所以，來計劃出來，關係你啦嘛。
Next is we're gonna go into our hookup. So this is where the painted dogs is gonna wrap up, and I'm gonna ask for your assistance because I want to get everybody is gonna shoot. We do it all the time with bigger groups, so I know it's possible. If I can have all the smaller folks step back in the boxes, I'm gonna get all the shorter folks up front. That way we all have room. Because this next part, guys, is one of the reasons why I love being a musher. Just seeing dogs' enthusiasm and passion and excitement to run. Come here, loudmouth. Hey, Secretariat. Yeah, he's like a switch that's gonna get flipped. He's like the cheer. Come here, buddy. Secretariat. Hi, good boy. Come here, buddy. Oh, that's a good boy. I'm gonna hold on just so I can talk over him real quick, because otherwise he just runs and barks and gets really excited. So it's the excitement that you're about to see here, guys. It's the same excitement that our pet dogs had to go for a walk or play fetch or go to lab or go and retriever sees water. They're just like, boom, here we go. Same exact enthusiasm here. You know, only our leash is a little bit different. Our walk's like 1,000 miles, but it's the same excitement to get up and go. Like if I tell my black lab, you want to go for a walk? If I don't go right then and there, he will pace the house crying until we actually leave. If I get my shoes on, he's like, "Are we going? Are we going? Does it happen?" So yeah, they all know that the kids know how to put 2 and 2 together. So yeah, we'll go ahead and lower the sled. It's just up there in the rafters because boy dogs pee over otherwise. But what's gonna happen is once the dogs are hooked to the sled and I leave the chute, guys, again, hang out here. You won't miss anything because when I leave, I'm going to stop at a post and tie off. At that point, Elwood will show you the next best place to view my run. And you guys can watch me finish the run here. So, yeah, watch this dog because it's about to get loud. He's been doing awesome up there. And that's just how we learn. You know, you got to learn through trial and error. Hey, Fuse. Oh, buddy. That's why it's on. Fuse, don't do it again. Fuse. Yeah. Fuse?
Getting nasty.
Yeah. He's like, oh, I did nothing. I'm bathing. I already forgot what I was saying now because I got shut by Fuse peeing.
What do you do if you drop a dog on the trail? Where do you, I mean, if something is a one.
Oh, they come home off the trail. And they go back home. Hey, crunch! Yeah. Guess we'll be doing laundry later.
This sled?
Yeah.
If you're in the middle of the Iditarod and there's
like I was saying earlier, they come home off the trail, and then our handlers pick them up. Yep. So okay, buddy, you going up front?
He's surprisingly really relaxed.
He is, but here he goes. Ready? Fable, are you playing with the puppies again? Yeah. Come on, sweet girl. Yeah, Fable's new obsession has been the puppies recently. Although she keeps wanting to play the puppies again. It's weird. Crunch his swing though. Yeah, him and swing.
guys can line along these two fence lines here just to get a better look-see. Yeah, so imagine 14
So I
of
will
you guys
see you again.
right? You think that was intense. And she flew out of there like a rocket. Right?
Right.
So imagine 14. And also this is a little fast, because
只要高啦，高啦咁乜嘢頭病呢個知嚟，病邊個知嚟
You
嘅？
know, you have to think about that.
Comment down below. Share this video, like this video. I will see you in the next video.
Also probably noticed or did it because they're so loud, is that she didn't